Uttar Pradesh has been a leader in infrastructure development in the recent years, with the government spending money to improve the state's infrastructure. UPEIDA has 5 expressways planned. One out of them is the Purvanchal Expressway, aiming to enhance connectivity in Uttar Pradesh's eastern region. The expressway, upon completion, will be India's longest expressway with a length of 340.8 kilometers. Starting from Chand Sarai village located on the Lucknow-Sultanpur Road, it will pass through Barabanki, Amethi, Sultanpur, Ayodhya, Ambedkar Nagar, Azamgarh and Mau before terminating at Hyderia village in Ghazipur. The eastern region of the state would be connected to state and national capital and further to Varanasi through Agra-Lucknow and Yamuna Expressway. The expressway is being built at a cost of 22,495 crore rupees by the Uttar Pradesh Expressways Industrial Development Authority, UPEIDA, led by Awanish Kumar Awasthi, CEO of UPEIDA.
Purvanchal Expressway will form what is called the backbone for the state, north and south. It will be like what you call in Hindi, reed ki haddi. So once you make this road, then we will be able to provide easy access to most of the districts of the state.
For the construction, UPEIDA has secured monetary funds from national banks.
Well, the challenge was how to finance these expressways. And I am so happy to inform you that we have tapped all the banks, the nationalized banks of the country, and they have very actively come forth and provided us the funds through consortia. For Purvanchal, they have provided us funds about more than 7,000 to 7,500 crores.
The construction work of 340.8 kilometers long Purvanchal Expressway is divided into 8 packages, which were awarded to 5 different contractors. Packages 1 and 2 are backed by Gayatri projects. Package 3 is backed by Apco Infratech.
And the Apco Infratech Private Limited has executed Purvanchal Expressway package number 3, which was of 41.7 km, 6 lanes and along with service road also.
Apco Infratech completed the package on time and received a bonus for it. Packages 4 and 7 are backed by GR Infraprojects. Packages 5 and 6 are backed by PNC Infratech, the company which has now become a leading highway development, construction and management company. Package 8 is backed by Oriental Structural Engineering.
48 km in length and it falls in Ghazipur district, Uttar Pradesh.
The expressway consists of 18 flyovers, 7 railway overbridges, 7 major bridges, 118 minor bridges, 6 toll plazas, 271 underpasses, and an airstrip constructed in the Sultanpur district for enabling emergency landing of the aircraft.
Average labor used at this project was around 2,000 per day, involving 1,000 skilled, 1,000 unskilled, and around 300 engineers and supervisors were engaged for the work supervision.
We are ensuring the safety through a special deployment of safety officers by our organizations, and we are conducting safety toolbox meetings at each locations.
Constructing the country's longest expressway was undoubtedly a difficult task. It entailed overcoming some significant obstacles that the contractors encountered.
The major challenge was to arrange large quantity of earth. It is around 1.5 crore cubic meter. Since this area is at Gangetic plain, all the fields are low-lying and prone to flood.
There was 3 major bridges across Sharda Canal. Each one is of 140 meter length, and the piles for the same major bridges was 30 meter below the canal bed level. Second challenge was 64 meter span, single span, and the material requirement for the same was 1950 metric tons. To shift the machinery and the material for that location was the biggest challenge.
The Purvanchal Expressway project is likely to give a boost to agriculture, tourism, industrial as well as commercial activities. Enhanced connectivity to east and west borders will benefit the entire state of Uttar Pradesh in terms of economic and social growth.
This faster connectivity will lead to setup of industries at eastern UP, which will generate lot of employment and business opportunities.
Industrial training institutes, educational institutes, medical institutes, new townships and other various commercial setups shall be developed, especially near the expressway areas.
पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे बन जाने की वजह से क्या है कि मैं अपने कस्टमर के पास सामान जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंचा पाऊंगा और जल्दी पहुंचने की वजह से वो इकोनॉमिकल भी पड़ेगा, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का खर्च भी हमारा बचेगा। और पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे की कनेक्टिविटी की वजह से मैं बड़े शहरों के साथ आज तक कम्पीट नहीं कर पाता था, बड़े शहरों के डीलर्स के साथ, उनके साथ भी मैं कम्पीट कर पाऊंगा।
Besides these being an access-controlled expressway, it would provide benefits like fuel saving, time saving and control in pollution level along with reduction in accidents.
Well, the Purvanchal Expressway as well as the Bundelkhand Expressway have gone through the process of what is required to be done as a safety audit. We got the safety audit done by Roorkee University, the IIT Roorkee. For Bundelkhand Expressway, the IIT Roorkee has pre-audited the safety. So that's again a major issue. We also put a large number of ambulances. We also put vehicles for catching any stray animals. We also have a large number of vehicles for continuous patrolling. We put ex-servicemen on the road to continuously patrol the road. We also use the help of the police. As Home Secretary, we get the help of the police for monitoring the movement on the road so that there are no accidents.
Despite the pandemic, work on the expressway was going on at its peak with all required safety precautions taken into account. Workers were trained to follow COVID guidelines, offices and workplaces were sanitized, periodic checking and medical aid were present at the site.
This is the most prestigious project being executed now in our country. It is a time-bound project and it is being monitored directly by CM office. Honorable CM has already visited this project twice to motivate us for timely completion. UPEIDA is monitoring the project on monthly basis.
With 99% of work completed so far, the expressway will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi by mid-November.
As a project manager of this Purvanchal Expressway Package 3 of Apco Infratech Private Limited, I am feeling very proud, comfort as we have completed successfully with quality.
Upon completion, the expressway will be a godsend to the people of Uttar Pradesh. It will strengthen road connectivity across the eastern regions of UP. The expressway will prove to be a catalyst for development of the region and state. It will serve as the backbone of Purvanchal region and help Uttar Pradesh stand tall in future.